One of the most important things at Alstom as a welder would be my PPE, which is going to be a fire retardant jacket or shirt, my gloves, my welding helmet, and once I get that organized and put on, then I can work with my tools. If something needs to be built in the fab shop, an engineer will design it, put it on a piece of paper for me, which is called a blueprint. This is going to give me my dimensions on what I need to make here in the fab shop, and that I can take out to the car where we'll have a work instruction or another set of blueprints for locating where I might have to weld on a bracket that holds a component on the car. What I like most about my job is I'm never stuck in mud, as we say. I'm always moving, there's always something new, it's always changing. I'm not sitting here one day and doing the same thing over and over. It's constantly changing, I'm constantly learning, I'm constantly growing.